to apologise to anyone that's got this on autoplay on the TV or on your phone and you're not really paying attention. This isn't Ethan from All the Gear or Car Throttle. I'm Andy, and you might know me more recently from Boffy Racing. So if you phoned up or emailed in, it was probably me that got back to you trying to sell you a turbo kit or some suspension or something cool for your MX5. Prior to that, I was at Fensport, so I used to be in the workshop doing turbo conversions, supercharged conversions for GT86s. I used to do wiring looms, ECUs, MR2s, leaker builds, and the odd Skyline. But at the end of 21, I kind of hung up the tools and decided I wanted to do something else before I killed myself. So Boffy took me in. So if you need any MX5 bits, seamless plug. So why YouTube? Well, people have been telling me for ages that I should do it, and I thought, why not? What's the worst that could happen? I'll fall on my face, and my nose is big enough that it's going to protect my face. So you may also know me from the Car Throttle episode about the MR2 that we never did a sequel to because I left, and Monkey London. I did a couple of videos about the 2ZZ Corolla, his JZX, where I did some work on that. So what's it all about? So if you want fast cars, you want celebrity guests, road trips, you want some cool shit, go check out Auto Alex's guys and Donut Media, because they've got you covered. This is kind of like Mighty Car Mud back in the day. We're looking at shitbox cars, we're going to be doing some tutorials, maybe some products. We're going to be covering a project car that I've just brought, something I thought I'd never own. There's a sneak peek, I didn't mean to do that. So tune in for that next time. I want to hear your guys' opinions on what we do with that, but I also want to hear what you guys think we should be doing with the channel. That'll be quite interesting. I mean, we're going to be talking to a couple of guys. Like I said, we'll have the project car in the next episode. It's kind of interesting. But yeah. Okay, thank you. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I know it's been boring, it's an introduction video, but don't forget to let me know in the comments what you think we should be doing with the rest of the channel. We're going to be coming back next week with the project car, and we'll be doing a little walk around, just letting you know what that is about. I'll be filming it now, so I will be wearing the same clothes, so I am not that scazzy that I don't have more than one set of clothes, but I'll film it straight after this. Like I say, real low production values. I mean, I'm a guy on a phone, so don't expect too much. But yeah, thanks guys, like and subscribe, and I will see you soon.